Hey YouTube, this is a video on the new iPhone OS, iPhone OS 4.0. Apple obviously leaked this to us, like give us some information, well, quite a lot of information, and told us all about the OS about 2-3 days ago on April the 8th. Apple the 8th. Anyway, I'm going to try and hurry this vid up because my outtake just now was just over 10.5 minutes long, so it's a bit of a fail. So, first of all, what can I say about this? Apple have said there's 7, they call it tadpoles or something, but 7 main differences. There's obviously over 100 new features, they said, in this, but 7 main differences. So the first one that I'm going to go into, guys, is multitasking. This is obviously a long-awaited feature on the iPhone, but this, unfortunately, only runs on the 3GS. This OS will run on the 3G, but this particular feature only on the 3GS, along with some other features. But let me talk about multitasking. You can, it's pretty much in the name. Obviously, you can do all the stuff that you need to do. You can go off one app by double tapping the home button, and then a dock will appear up and just push up your window, and then you'll have a list of all your open apps, and you can just simply switch between them. To give you a little bit of an example, say you're on a game or something, and you want to quickly view your mail, you know? You just double tap the home button, select mail, and then it will pause your game so you won't lose any unsaved data or anything. You can view your mail, double click, go back, and then it'll give you a down from 3 countdown, and you can start playing your game again. Simple as. So that's multitasking. Apple has said, even though it sounds like it's going to use up a lot more power, battery power and speed, they said that they have figured out a way so it'll hardly make a difference. But I don't know about that. I mean, I suppose I trust in them for saying that, but we'll see how it goes. Obviously, I think it'll run fine on the new iPhone when that does come out. So if I go into the next thing, this is folders. I haven't got the best pictures in the world here, guys, but folders, right. It's the best picture I got. So, obviously on your home screen you have lots of your applications listed around. Sometimes they can get a bit clogged up, you want things in certain spaces. If you've got a lot of apps, you have to scroll all the way down to your maximum, say, of 11 pages and select the app. It can get a bit annoying, but now you can put them in folders. This is an amazing feature, another long-awaited one, big requested one. And you can just, when you click on your, select and hold down your app, and then they all start squiggling, so you can move them around and stuff. You can just move one on top of each other, on top of another, and then it will automatically put that as a folder. You can keep doing that as many times as you want. It will automatically name it as the category of the majority of the apps in there. So say you have 3 games, it will automatically name that games, but you can obviously rename that to whatever you want to rename it. Really cool feature. Another thing that kind of fits into this category, you can now change the background on your home screen. Amazing feature, guys. If I just show you a screenshot of my iPhone, you can obviously see it's got a black background there. You can now change that to a picture of whatever you want to, and it's really simple. You just go to your change background thing wherever as you normally do, and then when you click make background or whatever, it'll give you an option, 3 options: set as home lock screen, home screen, or as both. And that makes a real big difference. It makes the iPhone look so much better. And the dock in here is just like it is on the iPad, even though I think you can still only have 4 in it, but it is 3D, and it looks absolutely great. I'm sorry I couldn't get a picture of this, guys. I have searched around for one quite a bit, but I can't find one. Obviously I could have just taken a screenshot or something, but it's a bit awkward because I'm on my phone and everything. But sorry about that. If I get into the next feature, enhanced email. So this is obviously just in the mail app. Not a major difference in my opinion. One of the main features, say you're replying to someone, they reply to you, you got a bit of a conversation going, you can just select the most recent mail that's in your mail from that person, and then it will have a list of all the sent and received, the received and sent blah 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 messages, so you can just view it that way instead of clicking on one, going back if you want to view the conversation, scrolling all the way down to the last message. So pretty good feature, and there's some other little stuff in there. You can have multiple multiple accounts at the same time, which I just forgot. So when you start the app up, you will have a list of all your different accounts, for example Gmail, MobileMe, Yahoo, all that stuff. So if we get to the next one, iBooks. This is obviously on the iPad. A lot of people have been expecting this to come to the iPhone, including me. I thought it would. Just an app where you can buy books off the store, you know, read books. Really good app, to be honest. Same interface as on the iPad, obviously smaller on the screen. And you do get a free book, which is Winnie the Pooh. So that's pretty cool. Next one, Enterprise. This is just a little range, you know. Yeah, that's Enterprise. It just says even better data protection, mobile device management, wireless app distribution, multiple Exchange accounts, like I said before, Exchange server, and the SLL VPN support, whatever that is. I can't really remember. I did watch the video earlier. I don't know what half of that stuff means off the top of my head. A lot of you out there will, but some of it's self-explanatory, blah blah blah. Even better data protection stuff, you know. But that's pretty cool. I don't really know much about it, but I suppose it is the little stuff that will make a difference in the background, like, which is not what Snow Leopard was mainly based on. Next one, guys, number 6. This is Game Center. This is really cool. If I just get you, this isn't the best picture because it's a screenshot, and I was just tilting my iPhone as I took it, so it's kind of on the slant. But this now, guys, allows you mainly, when you're on a game, or even when you're not on a game, you can get requests and invites off your friends to join into games and have a bit of an online gaming thing, which is really cool. You can just, notifications is improved a hell of a lot on the new iPhone OS, and you can just get notifications when the app's nothing's even open, you know, which is really cool. And if you look here, guys, it says the game and entertainment titles on the iPhone, and iPod Touch, I suppose, included before, is, I think it's 56 or 58, but I think it's 56,700. Then you compare that to Nintendo DS, a really popular portable gaming console, 4,321, and the Sony PSP, 2,477. So that's over 10 times any of them. That is amazing. This is going to be really good, because iPhone and iPod Touches are really good portable gaming consoles, and they do a lot of stuff. I'm trying to think how many apps there are. I think over 180,000 apps I think there is out there. They did announce it in this. Massive number. Next one, guys, iAd. Right, this is probably not going to appeal to any of us out there because it's on about mobile advertising. I suppose a lot of you will just think when you hear that, oh, ads, I'm not interested in ads. But this is pretty cool. I mean, one of the little things that will affect most of us if you don't use apps, say you're starting up an app sometimes and you accidentally click on an ad, and then it knocks you off your app, you lose all your data, and it takes you to your web browser and then starts loading when you don't even want nothing to do with it. This, you click on the ad and it kind of comes down the page and you can just exit that and you're still in your application. And this guys is taking advertising to the next level. It is insane. You can do so much stuff. You click on this ad, you can view pictures of it, videos, you know, proper long videos now, good quality and everything. And you can download, you can read about it. It's like a whole web page, but you're only in a little advertisement and you're not leaving your app. You can even, if it's advertising application, you can download the app straight from that ad. You don't even have to go to the App Store or nothing. You can download it straight from there. That is really cool. Next thing, oh no, that is all 7 on me there. That's just a little stuff of some of the stuff that you're saying. Spell check on this, guys, is like, you know, you're on Word and all that, you get a red line under something and you can correct it. Then you've got home screen, wallpaper, said that. Tap to focus on video, which is really cool. And 5 times digital zoom on your camera. So I'm going to quickly say then, guys, well done to Apple for this. Thank you so much. They've done amazing on doing this OS. They've got all the requests that they've needed to do. They've done really well. So I'm going to exit this quickly because it's going back. But anyway, if you've got any questions, just comment me or message me and I'll answer them the best I can. This is going to be a great OS when it comes out this summer, hopefully. And thanks for watching and see you in my next video.